Hey friend, we're going to do things a little bit different this week. I am on the struggle bus. If you saw my community tab over the weekend, you saw I had a weekend full of festivities. On Friday, we celebrated my niece's graduation and I had food and cake. On Saturday, my brother-in-law got married and I had food and cake and alcohol. And then on Sunday, we celebrated my brand new sister-in-law and my precious husband's birthday. This was his 56th birthday and his very first birthday with his brand new heart that he got in January of 2024. So we celebrated their birthdays and we did that with food and cake and no alcohol because I was hungover yesterday from Saturday's wedding festivities with alcohol, and I'm still feeling the effects today. So I'm going to take you along my week of trying to recover from the damage that was done from my last weigh-in until this morning. I have picked up 11 pounds. That quick in 5 days. I'm sure that some of it is water weight and things like that from, all the mechanics and how our bodies work and hold on to fluid, and we can always gain it a lot quicker than we can lose it and all those things. But I'm going to getting back on track today because it's how we get down. Monday, first of the month, first of the year, there's always starting over. So that's why I sound rough, look rough, and feel rough, because there's got to be some kind of correlation between fasting and alcohol, because I can no longer consume the same amount of alcohol that I once could without feeling like this. I had a terrible headache that is still lingering going into the second day after drinking, and just feel like I look like what I've been through on today. So I have gained 11 pounds and we are going to go through the week until my next weigh-in and see how this weight is able to come off. I have, in assisting my body to get started on flushing itself out, I have taken a water pill because I have them on hand I have swelling in my legs sometimes. So I have those water pills on hand to help me when I have issues with swelling. So I took that to try to flush some of the fluid out of my body. And I've taken a laxative to try to flush some other things out of my body to get me on the road to detoxing my body and recovering from the damage that was this weekend. So stick around for this entire video and you'll see at the end of the video what my weight was and how I got through this week. I'm debating a wet or dry fast today, but it's definitely going to be a minimum of a 36-hour fast. So I'll see you on tomorrow. Interrupting your regularly scheduled programming with an announcement that I had talked to Google, and Google had said that because alcohol can be dehydrating, that you need to stay hydrated when you're recovering from alcohol. So I will be doing a wet fast starting out this week, and we'll see how the rest of the week goes with that. Cheers. Hey friend, just popping in with an update to let you know that I lost 4.4 pounds since yesterday, and I'm feeling so much better than I felt yesterday. I've been drinking plenty of water, Gatorade Zero, and even though today is a feast day, as it is Tuesday, I did fast all day long until it was time for dinner. So I basically did 1 meal a day today to try to offset some of the damage I did over the weekend. So stay tuned through the rest of the video so we can see what my final weigh-in is on weigh-in day on Thursday. See you tomorrow. Hey friend, it's Wednesday and I was just dropping in to let you know that today is a fast day and I'm down another 2 pounds from yesterday as I'm trying to recover from my weekend festivities, and I'm feeling pretty good. I felt a little sluggish earlier, so I decided to take some Element electrolytes, and that gave me a little boost of energy. So I'm just trying to stay busy and be productive around the house to get through my fast. So that's all I have for you, and I will see you tomorrow.
body weight is 286 pounds.
Hey friend, I'm back with my final weigh-in for this week. I'm going to go over Thursday and Friday's weigh-in numbers with you guys. And the reason I included Friday this week is because Friday is the day that my festivities started last week. I had celebrations Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, gained 11 pounds, and I have worked really hard this week to get that off. So on Thursday, I weighed in at 288 pounds, which was 3.6 pounds down from the day before. And on Friday, which is today, I weighed in at 286 pounds, which is 2 pounds down from yesterday and 1 pound down from last week. So basically in a week, I've lost 1 pound, which is great, especially considering the fact that I had gained 11 pounds over the weekend. Now, whether that was water weight or true weight gain, we'll never know, but I'll take it either way. So I have lost, I'm not going to count that I lost 11 pounds in a week. I'm going to say, because of the weight gain over, with drinking and all kind of bad food that I ate over the whole weekend, I'm just going to count that I lost 1 pound in a week. And I did things a little bit differently this week in order to accelerate my weight loss. Since I had gained so much in that week, I wanted to try to get it off just as quickly as I gained it. My extended fast started on Tuesday night after I finished Taco Tuesday. You know how I get down. Wednesday, I did a wet fast, 36-hour fast, and then kept going and did a dry fast for another 24 hours. So that was a total of 60 hours and 27 minutes that I fasted. That was the extended fast, both wet and dry added together between Tuesday night and Friday morning. I broke my fast today with a keto yogurt, avocado, some cherries, and pistachios. We are having homemade egg rolls for dinner tonight. So in the future, I want to prevent such a massive weight gain from happening. I want to balance enjoying my celebrations with not setting myself back on my weight loss journey as well. So my plan is to, when I have those events coming up, making that my only meal for the day. So I want to do OMAD on the days that I have events planned, which are usually the weekends, which is usually days that I don't fast anyway. Last week, Friday was the only day that I ate that I normally would fast. But the whole weekend set me back because I did other things that I normally don't do, like drink alcohol and eat a bunch of cake. And most importantly, just get back on track ASAP. If you get off track, in the past, I went down this rabbit hole when I get off track and I just get to feeling worthless and like I can't do it and things like that. And then I just continue to eat bad and eat my feelings. This time, I'm not doing it that way. I'm getting right back on track. I love fasting. I love the way that it makes me feel. And I want to look into more healing benefits of fasting. I've started out doing it just for weight loss, but there are so many healing benefits of it that I want to look more into that. I also want to remind you guys about my fasting circle on the Life Fasting app. The link is always in the description box. If you want to join me, if you click that link, it will take you right to the app and to my circle so you can join right away. And it's a small community right now, but I would love for us to grow into a bigger community and connect through the fasting app as well so that we can support each other and watch each other fast. I get amazing motivation from watching the other people in my fasting circle fast. That encourages me, it inspires me to keep going. So just join us. And I'm interested to know if you all track your fast. So if you'll put in the comments whether or not you track your fast on paper, through an app, or how you track your fast. And also comment and let me know if you've ever dry fasted. Check out my alternate day fasting playlist for more videos like this. Comment, like, and share this video. Subscribe to my channel while you're here and join my family. Until next time, bye friend.